guys, Alexa here, and today we're going to be doing my hair again. I wanted to do a seasonal themed hair again since it's getting close to Valentine's Day and also my birthday. I wanted to do Valentine's Day themed hair. I have my usual bleaching product here. I will leave the video link in the description below on how I bleach my hair with it. I have a whole video on how I bleach my hair with it. But also I have two Arctic Fox hair colors here today. You know I like my Arctic Fox. I have Virgin Pink and I have Wrath. I wanted to do the Virgin Pink up here and then just have it like fade into like the Wrath tips. I have this like kind of ombre pink red idea in my head and I would like to incorporate that for this Valentine's Day look. So I will quit rambling. We're going to change out of this, bleach these roots, and then I will get back to you guys as soon as we are doing the dye. Okay, so we got the hair bleached. It looked nice. It turned out pretty well. I like it. We got all that dark brown out, but it is a new day. When I finished this, it was really late and I had to work first thing in the morning, so it was just like, I need some sleep, went to sleep, and here we are now. So we are going to start coloring it. I wanted to color it the other night, but you know, things happen. So we are going to color it now. We have the Virgin Pink from Arctic Fox and Wrath from Arctic Fox as well. I'm going to put these in my bowls. I need to buy more dyeing bowls. Note to self later. Buy more dyeing bowls and dyeing brushes. So we have our bowls. We're going to open our dyes. Oops. See, I always drop something. It wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't drop something in here. So, get this out. Or if my cat didn't yell. It looks actually a lot darker coming out of the bottle than I don't know. Whenever I dyed my wig, I don't remember it being this dark, but maybe it was and I just don't remember it. But this is a Virgin Pink. I thought it was a lot lighter, but like I said, I could be wrong. Sam, I could be wrong, but I thought it was a lot lighter. And we're gonna get that Wrath out. I love the color of this Wrath. Sam! And there's the Wrath. It is a beautiful bright red. I love that color. Now, when the pink goes on, it should look lighter because whenever I've seen it just by itself, it's been like really light pink. But the dye is like actually pretty dark. I know I keep pointing that out, but it's just kind of bothering me because I remember it being lighter. Anyway, we have our pink gloves as well. I'm going to get out of my jacket. I didn't want to take it off because it is cold today and I want to leave it on and I don't want to freeze in my dyeing shirt. But we gotta do what we gotta do. I can't get paint on this, so I will be back in a minute. Back and freezing and look gross. So now we are going to brush my hair out a little bit because it's a floofy mess. Okay. Put on the gloves. I can't always get these on because they're like exactly as big as my hands, so it takes a minute. Got it. And can't put it in the hose. Gloves. See, these, since they fit exactly to my hand, it's a lot easier for me, and I feel like I can, because like my thing is I like to be able to feel what I'm doing. With these I feel like I can feel a little bit more what I'm doing but not get dye everywhere. But like when I buy a box or whatever and it comes with its own gloves, those gloves are like huge and they're like bulky and I can't, it's just impossible. But anyway, besides the point, let's get into dyeing this hair. We are going to do the Valentine's look. I am going to do the pink to red. So I want to start with just like, I want to start up here. Sam! We're going to start up here at the front part of my hair and we're going to do the pink and then blend it out, and we're going to leave the ends so we can take the Wrath and then blend the Wrath in with the virgin pink. And then do that all across all of the hair. And then we will wait 45 minutes to an hour, and then we will rinse it out with cold water, and then I will show you the final results. And I would like to do a Valentine's inspired makeup look with this hair as well, but we shall see at the end of this video. So let's get into dyeing my hair. Let's go. Hey guys, so here's the completed Valentine's inspired look. I really like the way it turned out. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments below. I will be leaving all the stuff I use for my hair in the description below. That way you can get it yourself and try this out yourself if you would like. If you would like to know how I did this makeup look, I was thinking about making a video on it so you guys can see how I did this Valentine's inspired makeup. If you would like to see that, please let me know in the comments below as well. I hope you guys really like this. I really like the way it turned out. I like the red and the pink together. I think it turned out good. I know I keep saying that, but I like it. But if you guys like it, please let me know, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, enjoyed it, or if this helps you out with your hair or anybody else's hair. Please let me know, and don't forget to check out any of my other hair videos. I have a whole playlist I will leave somewhere on the screen. I have a whole playlist of all the different hair colors I've done over the past year, I think. I think I'm going on 2 years of making videos. But anyway, I have a whole playlist of making hair videos if you guys would like to check those out. Anyway, I will let you guys go. My name's Alexeja, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!